record me dragging all the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay. The thing we're going to show you today is we finally got rid of this bad boy. This is the factory axle back muffler. We're going to wait for you guys right now. We got a little trigger happy. We installed a top speed version, so you can see it's a lot sleeker, it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot lighter than this big fella over here. Now, please don't laugh, it's been a long day, but I'm going to try to drag this over and wait for you guys right now, okay? I'm just kidding, I got it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and weigh this sucker right here. Alright, Alex, if you can show us the weight. Roughly about 64 pounds. Whew, that's heavy. It's a heavy boy. All right, so as you can see the comparison that we show, almost in my head again. If you guys are watching our other videos, you see that's a common thing.